welcome back to my channel. This is Bella Nicole, and I'm here with a Pure Cosmetics and Barbie unboxing. You guys just wait till you see what I have in store for you guys. This is incredible packaging, an amazing product. The colors are so beautiful. This is probably one of my favorite collections so far, and that is saying a lot because you all know I love makeup. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I can't wait to show you guys. It is so pretty. You guys, I can't with this collection. I mean, if I were to do a makeup collection, this is probably what it would look like. Very close to this. I mean, it's just everything. I can't even begin to tell you how gorgeous this is. Packaging, you guys. Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? This is the one for the eyeshadow. Let's see, I can see the back. These are the colors. So beautiful. I love that one of them says dollhouse. How cute is that? So there's fantasy, pretty in pink, accessory, role model, dollhouse, fashionista, empowered, Barbie of course, Dreamtopia, vintage, Ken, and 1959. And it gives you a little story in the back. That's what it looks like. Just going to show you the packaging first just so you can kind of get a view for what that looks like. And I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but this is iridescent sparkle right here. There we go. So that is the eyeshadow. I'm just going to show you the packaging first so that way you can get a feel for what it looks like. Look at that, you guys. This is called Iconic Lip Signature Semi-Matte, and the color is Timeless. You guys, I can't. So I've decided a long time ago that what I was going to do is just get my favorite colors, not just get it for the packaging. The packaging is going to look very similar as far as the lipsticks are concerned, and these were my two favorites, the Timeless. So I got two of those since that's more likely what I'm going to wear. And I'm actually doing a Facebook Live this Thursday at 8:15, so that's 8:15 Central Time. So if you can join me, I'd love to have you. I'm going to be wearing this makeup. This one is called Legendary. Of course, I have a puppy named Legend, so love that name. Super beautiful, and Barbie definitely is legendary. Look at that sparkle, you guys. I can't. So got one of those, and again, colors I was more likely to wear, right? So this one is also legendary. And I also grabbed, this is a gloss called Girl Gloss, and look how pretty that looks just on the packaging. Okay, so again, I grabbed two of those. I was like, what do I absolutely need to have? Because this can get expensive, as you guys can know. So I paid for this with my own money. This is not sponsored. I absolutely fell in love with it. And yeah. This is the Dream Glow Signature Highlight palette. And you guys wait till I show you. If you're excited about the outside, wait till I show you what's inside. So pretty. This is definitely going on my vanity. And final piece, I had to get this. Look at this Barbie brush. It's got the Barbie on it, Pure and Barbie, Forever Flawless, Signature Complexion Blush. Oh, sorry, brush, Signature Complexion Brush. And let me tell you guys, I had to feel the brush, and it is soft as cotton. Absolutely gorgeous. And me unbox these for you and show you what they look on the inside. So are you ready? Oh my gosh, you guys, wait until you see this. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? It's textured. It's got little tiny beads that look like little baby pearls that are pink and white. And it looks like if it would have like rose quartz up on top. Pretty sure it's not, but how gorgeous is that? It's opalescent as well. Oh, so beautiful. And the gold is everything. And this is the inside. I didn't want to give you all any flashbacks, so just take a look at that. We've got the shimmery silver along with the gold and bronze all in one. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, you guys, so beautiful. Okay, so that again is the Dream Glow Signature Highlighter Palette. One last look. Now let's check out the lipsticks. This one right here is Timeless. And just wait until you see this. This is going to blow your mind. Press this right here. Bam. Are you kidding me? And wait till you see the color. Oh my gosh. So much sparkle on the casing, on the actual lipstick. I mean, what? There we go. Oh my gosh, I can't. And then the way that it opens, what? Stick it back in here. Bam. And this again is Timeless. So let's go on to the next color. Legendary. Excuse my little nick there. I was cooking some chicken yesterday. I will have some recipes coming to you all as well. So again, we're going to press side, pops right up. You guys wait until you see this. The beautiful Barbie, perfect shade of pink, in my opinion. Waiting for the camera to really zoom in. Since I have, you know, two of the same lipsticks, I'm only going to show you one of each to save time. I don't want to make it redundant. And of course, this is the gloss, you guys. Let's see if you can see. Girl Gloss. And look at how pretty that is. Smells like a Barbie. Also smells like vanilla a little bit. So beautiful. Look at that. Okay. So next, wait till you see the eyeshadows. You guys, I can't. I'll show you the outside first. More of the same as the highlight palette. Wait till you see the colors inside. They are just as beautiful. I didn't even think that was possible. And oh my gosh, they nailed it. The cover on because I don't want to blind you all. I love how it says never lose your sparkle. And you guys, what? Excuse me? So gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that mirror finish. If you guys want to invest in something, I would highly recommend this. This is just so gorgeous. And it smells like coconut. I love things that smell good. Look at that shimmery color. Oh my gosh, they nailed it, you guys. Look at all that pigment. So beautiful. All right, so let's continue on. And again, this is the outside. How beautiful is that, you guys? I can't. Last but not least, the makeup brush. Oh my gosh, can you see that? Oh my gosh, so fluffy, so beautiful. This is the back. It even says Pure and Barbie. Absolutely love it. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to wrap up this video, but I still have the Wet n Wild Pac-Man collection giveaway going on. So if you want to enter, make sure you like my page, Designs by Bella Nicole Beauty, on Facebook. And of course, subscribe to this channel. And just enter giveaway at the end of this video to be entered. So as for next time, I will be having a cooking video for you. I look forward to seeing you, and as always, I'm sending you peace and